this is Michelle. Today I'm going to introduce the new launch landing craft behind me. This is the 660 centimeters length with the 4 mm aluminum plate. You don't need to worry about your boat will be rusted under the sea because it is marine grade. And you can see this is the LED navigation light. Even though you go out at night, it can help you to observe the situation of the sea. And this is the turbine view. It can control the door to open or close. When you feel tired of it, you can choose the auto turbine view. There are two doors with lock here. When you open it, you can walk into it. The floor is aluminum floor, which is anti-slip. There are two benches with the under storage compartment. When you open the lock, you can get 50 liters storage compartment. You can put the fishing things, clothes, a lot of things into it. And on the very front of the boat, there are two storage compartments also. And this is the anti-bumper stripe. It can protect your hand from very sharp aluminum plate. Okay, let me show you the cabin. And this is the banami top with the iron frame. It is detachable. When you don't need it, you can remove it. And the window is PV material, which is lighter than the tempered glass. When we come into the cabin, you can have two sofa driver seats. With the PV material, it is UV protection, and it is hard and comfortable because it uses the foam. And when you come into it, you can get a long bench which can hold 3 to 4 persons. And when you go out, you will want to take a lot of things during the fishing, but you don't need to worry about in this boat because when you open the bench, there are two benches, so you can get a very large storage compartment. Let me look at the console, and this is the right driver's seat. And it has a storage compartment here. When we open it, we can put the map, water bottle close here. And here is the cup holder. You can put the coffee, water bottles here also. And it also has the cup holders here. And a lot of gauge here, you can see. This is the control panel. And the hydraulic steering wheel is very convenient to operate. And there is another special design here, the emergency cutoff. When your boat is about to strike the rock, it can help to stop immediately.